As lovers, we find life much more wonderful. Then it's normal to see jealousy people. My eyes are itchy. Ew, how can you kiss with that breast smell?
Okay.
Alright, now kiss freely. If you do not like couples like me, try this way. So intense. This movie is not for children under 18. Should remove the makeup before going to bed. But after removing the makeup, you scare your darling to death. What the hell is this? Stop! What are you going to do with that outlet, Lisa? Good acting. You really should be an actor. Pi doesn't know anything. He hit his back this time. Okay, pull out honest Pi. Is Spry the victim this time? You really have such a beautiful girl? This game is new, but should it be called ham? If you want to be healthy, you have to exercise. Go ahead, Sprite. Although it looks a bit crazy, but okay, having good health is everything. Ignore them. Hope you two will always unite like this. I haven't finished the sentence, right? This time, the friendship will not be lasting.
A few moments later.
Very smart, Lisa. This trick is great. But diamond cuts diamond. Where can you run, Lisa? Karma is here, Sprite. I wonder what Pi's doing there. No matter what, Lisa has to figure out. Maybe there's something precious there. Come on, Lisa, you're about to find it. Well done. Life is a trick. Dare to hide from me? So annoying. Now I know. You dare to secretly see girl's picture? Do not think of living in peace, Pi. You are so brave. Think you can play with the lion? It's your funeral.